in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hill, Hood, Hunt, Kaufman, Parker, Rockwall, and Terrat. This concludes the test of weather radio station kec56. The current time is 10:09 a.m. Central Standard Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station kec56, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 10 a.m. DFW Airport, mostly sunny, 48, dew point 22, relative humidity 35%, wind north at 12, pressure 30.36 inches.